the pin, guys. Don't forget to give me likes. Thank you, thank you. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Diba? At hanggang doon na lang guys ang ating kantahan portion for tonight kasi antok na yung love ko. Ito ka na lang. Masakit ipin-ipin niya guys. Nagsakit siguro mga ngipin ngayon, no? Kasi yung ngipin ko rin kanina sumakit. Kaya uminom ako ng gamot eh. Buti na wala. Kaya kung nagkanta-kanta tayo, uminom ako 2 gamot agad. Diyos ko, mahirap talaga mga ganyan pag sumasakit ang ulo. Pag sumasakit ang iyong ipin, hirap. Yan ang pinakamahirap ba? Ayan, welcome to all of you once again. Thank you so much guys for joining, for supporting Chubby Mom. Ayan, as always, every night, thank you so much for having me every night guys. So please support also to my friend guys, Mama Ellie from Hong Kong. Ayan, if you're not yet connected with her, please, she's a really beautiful, amazing woman, very gorgeous, and very good on expert in playing hula hoop. She's also doing live stream sometimes, guys, if she have time, but not every day, not every now and then, not like me. Kasi almost every hour I am live. Ayan, Mama Ellie is not every now and then. Thank you so much for the caller. She's not very active on doing live stream because she's busy, but please, if you have time, guys, please support Mama Ellie, a beautiful woman from Hong Kong. Ayan, she's like a model, and the most important thing is she's very kind to me. Ayan, that's why she's my friend. Thank you so much, guys. I need to reconnect the music, the sound card, kasi I am going to clean the floor kasi matutulog na kami. Ayan, as always, our evening routine is going to sleep after talking to you guys. Ayan, thank you so much guys. I will gonna clean the floor and reconnect the sound card para. Pero ang sarap magsalita pag naka-mic, no? Ay, atay. Pawis na pawis ang lola nyo. Sobrang init. Grabe na talaga ang init-init na dito ba? Sa Philippines. Ang galing-galing mo na mag-host. Ay, minsan, Mama Eli, parang ang sarap-sarap mag-host. Minsan naman, tinatamad din ako. Minsan, parang ayaw ko magsalita. Nakakatamad din yung paulit-ulit na lang yung sabi ko. O, diba? That you give me all your kisses. Ayan.